we were given an opportunity to like earn an income from home, plus meron kang chance to really be hands-on parents to your kids, no? At saka, if you look at other opportunities, parang walang ganitong kagaya ng opportunity na yon. Kung meron man, hindi ganon kalaki yung earning unlike this business, right? So, we are so grateful and we are so thankful na we found this opportunity. And hindi pa natapos doon because in just 3 years, this business has replaced my corporate job salary. Imagine that, no? I'm earning from home what I used to earn working long hours in the office, you know? And yung best part doon is it didn't just replace my income. I gain my freedom, no? The freedom to be present for my kids, to witness every milestone, yung mga moments I used to miss when I was tied up on my corporate job, right? And because of this business, I became both a present mom and a provider. Mahalaga sa akin yun.